Yum, 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 yum. Do you like ice cream? Because I like ice cream. And in this lesson, we're going to learn ice cream English. At the ice cream shop, everyday English. So in my home city, which is Melbourne, there's a special ice cream shop called Messina, and it's incredibly popular. Everybody goes there. People go there and fall in love, for example. Now, if you went to this ice cream shop, do you have the vocabulary and the grammar to know all of the special ice cream language? That's what we're going to learn in this lesson. So you're going to do 3 listening and speaking activities. You're going to answer a question, complete a sentence, and repeat a sentence. Let's do the first listening activity, answer the question. Okay, so listen carefully. You will hear a woman buying an ice cream. What flavor ice cream does she want? Does she want chocolate, strawberry, or cheesecake? Listen carefully.
Hi there, what can I get you?
Is the cheesecake one any good?
Sure, lots of people like it.
Maybe I'll get it next time.
No problem.
I think I'll get the strawberry, and I'll also get the chocolate for my husband.
Sure thing.
Okay, how was that for you? Was that easy? Did you get A, B, or C? Let's have a look at the language used here. So she says, is the cheesecake one any good? But then she says, I'll get it next time. So it's not cheesecake. Then she says, I think I'll get strawberry. That's correct. And I'll also get chocolate for my husband. That's incorrect. So the answer there is B, strawberry. Okay, if you like that style of question, you can go to e2school.com and do some more practice. But for now, let's keep going. Listening, complete the sentence. Okay, before we do activity number 2, we need to learn some vocabulary, some key words. Here they are. So we have ice cream cone. We have scoops of ice cream. We have a cup of ice cream. That's a small serving. And we have a tub of ice cream. So these are the key nouns that you will see in the ice cream shop. Okay, so keep those key words in mind. They are important. You're going to do another listening activity. This time, you're going to hear a conversation. And the final word or the final phrase of the conversation will be replaced by a beep sound, okay? You have to guess or anticipate how the conversation will finish. Listen carefully.
Do you want cones or cups?
Cones, please.
What size would you like?
What are the options?
I can give you 1 or 2.
Which word or phrase completes the sentence? Cups, scoops, or tubs? Okay, which one did you choose? A, B, or C? Let's have a look at the language used here. Okay, so the waiter says, do you want cones or cups? The woman says, cones, please. And when the waiter says, what size would you like? The woman says, what are the options? The waiter says, I can give you 1 or 2. Okay, so what do we call the ice cream that goes into the cone? It's called a scoop or scoops. So there are lots and lots of ice cream flavors. Some are classic, like vanilla and strawberry and ice cream, and some are just weird. Check out these weird ones. What about donut ice cream? Or chicken wing ice cream? Or mustard ice cream? So what's your favorite ice cream flavor? Put it into the comments below. And if you know any weird ice cream flavors, also let me know in the comments below. Okay, let's move on and do a speaking activity. Listening and speaking, repeat the sentence. Okay, so I'm going to say a single sentence. You need to listen very carefully because I'm going to say the sentence like a natural native English speaker would. That is, the sentence is going to be fast and it's going to be all connected and mushed up just like ice cream. Ready for the sentence? Here we go. Would you like an ice cream? Was that too fast? All right. It's too fast. Let me slow it down. Ready? Would you like an ice cream? Would you like a nice... What am I saying? I'm actually saying this. I said, would you like an ice cream? That's the spoken or real or natural English of would you like an ice cream? But we native speakers never say, would you like an ice cream? That's weird. What we do is we combine or we mush together like ice cream the sentence so it sounds more like, would you like an ice cream? Would you like an ice cream? Very interesting. Okay, so today we learned ice cream English, which is a lot of fun. We learned words like cone, scoop, cup, and tub. We also learned that native English speakers say things like, would you like an ice cream? Would you like an ice cream? Anyway, if you enjoyed this lesson and you want more, make sure you click that subscribe button. My name is Jay. I'll see you soon.